the trending honey trick that makes men harder than the little blue ones. Listen up. There's a secret trick spreading across the US among men aged 40 to 70, and it's up to 7 times stronger than the little blue one. Yes, you heard that right. Up to 7 times stronger than those schemes. Over 175,000 men are already doing this trick every night. But here's the best part. Research conducted this July by Boston University shows that the best way to beat ED in 2024 isn't by taking Viagra, Cialis, or even going to embarrassing doctor visits. Sounds crazy, right? So, how do you solve ED without spending a fortune on those expensive things doctors always recommend? Simple. This method is based on an ancient formula with honey, and it's the way you prepare it that makes it more potent than those blue ones, according to the Boston research. And let me tell you, the longer it lasts, the better. You know that we get tired of men who can't stay hard for long, no matter how much love we have for someone. There comes a point when we're fed up with failures in bed, and all we want is a strong, dependable man who can perform. That's what I was going through, watching my husband fail every time. I was exhausted. Now, here's the good part. After my husband discovered this honey trick online, he's been rock solid all day with his tools showing in his pants. Now we're having fun every night in the bedroom, and the best part, he used ingredients we already had in the kitchen, and you probably have them too. The way the honey is prepared takes just 15 seconds, and all the ingredients are natural, with no risk of side effects. So, if you're tired of seeing that look of disappointment and want to bring the spark back into your marriage, listen up. Let's be honest, this method isn't easy to get right. That's why they developed Nitrox Pro, a simple, powerful solution that boosts blood flow and restores your confidence effortlessly. Stocks are running low, so don't wait. Click the first link in the description now and secure yours before it's too late.